welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to solve the past paper of biology 2025. So the question C, write true or false for the following statements in the space provided in the answer column. So the question number 1, increase in the intensity of light generally results in a higher rate of photosynthesis regardless of other factors. And the true anime, false anime, and the false. Okay. So the question number 2, the microvilli in the small intestine increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. True or false mo? And the true. So question number 3, the natural reflexes involve the brain in its initial response pathway. And the true or false? And the false. So natural reflexes involve the brain in its initial response pathway. The false. So for the Bhutan's ecosystem supports many endangered species due to its diverse range of habitats. This is true. So question number 5, genetic variation in offspring is increased by meiosis but not by mitosis. True or false mo? This is true. So I'm Chirimbe and thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.